Alright guys, we are going to be replacing the halogen lights to LED lights and maybe the foot lighting as well. Didn't know that this car came with that. So yeah, Rodolfo's going to shine some light as I do it. Alright guys, so what we did was pry it with the flathead and a napkin right up here and just push it down, and then it popped out, and then all you do is pop it out. 4 little clips. And what is that? Is that the...
I would say turn it off, just because, I mean, it's going to be hot.
Oh yeah,
So
okay.
just push it in, turn it off, and I'm pretty sure it's a twist and pull. It'll be hot, right?
Yeah, it's going to be really hot. So, halogen, LED, all you do is just push it inwards. You push it out, and then pull it out and push it in there. So this is before, and this is after. Oh, that's bright.
Yes, sir.
Don't pay, I believe it's like $60 for the full LED kits from the dealership. This is way cheaper. How much is this? Like
10 bucks maybe? 10, 15 bucks around
if you pay for it. You can also just take it.
there? That's true.
I'm kidding.
That's the part number there.
Oh, it comes with 2?
It comes with 2.
Okay, cool. That's the part number, and it comes with 2. So we're gonna do these and maybe the bottom ones as well. Okay, and it's pretty simple how to put the little cap back on. It's just 4 little things. You just line it up like that, and probably do this side, and you just push it up, and there. Ooh, simple fudge.
That's actually very
That is so bright.
That's bright.
Yeah, thank you, Rodolfo.
No problem.
You guys ever need car parts? JK, they're not sponsoring me or Rodolfo.